As Leslie mentioned, well, it was a very cold morning, but turned out to be a nice day, and
Good.
we're hoping a nice weekend.
It is going to be a pretty nice weekend. It'll be a little chilly again in the morning, just not as cold as it was this morning. Take a look. We saw the coldest temperatures of the winter. Well, today's the first day of winter, so that's not saying very much. But the coldest temperatures since last winter, I should say, in some places, including 14 degrees this morning out on Willow Creek in Mason County. Now, these were the coldest readings we could find, mainly out on creek bottoms out there. But gives you an example of the air mass that settled in here overnight, even around the metro area. I showed you this a little bit earlier. We saw readings in the teens, including in Oak Hill, at the Barton Creek area around the Oak Hill Y, 18 degrees this morning. Over around Big Sandy Creek and near Elgin, it was 16 degrees this morning, 19 even down in southern Fayette County. Tonight, a live view of downtown Austin. 6th Street will be getting a little busy tonight, but I guarantee you they'll be in jackets walking up and down 6th Street, or should be. 46 degrees is the temperature already. We're headed down into the 30s, but it won't be as cold as it was last night in downtown Austin. 37, in fact, is our forecast low for your Saturday morning. 60 by noon, and tomorrow afternoon is going to turn out to be real nice. 67, much warmer than that on Sunday. In the hill country tonight, now some places are going to get down to freezing, including the Gillespie County Airport already at 35 degrees. Marble Falls area at 41 degrees. We'll see some freezing temperatures in some of the coldest valleys around the metro area too. For example, down around Onion Creek near Buda right now, it's already down to 37 degrees. And in our eastern counties, 39 there in Lockhart, 41 over in Giddings and LaGrange. So a light freeze is possible. We're just not headed down to 14 to 19 degrees in the morning. Real low dew points. The air is real dry right now, which is why temperatures are already cold and headed colder tonight, but winds are southerly. That'll hold our temperatures up a little bit, and some clouds coming in from West Texas will also help keep temperatures up a bit. Only mold in the pollen count today. That's some good news. The cedar completely disappeared from the count today. We thought it might still be there with all the wind we had yesterday, but cedar trees release that pollen on their own time frame. We've seen some this week, but it hasn't been all that high. 40s around most of Texas tonight, except down to the south. Storm system that brought us the cold front, it's headed to the northeast, snowing from the Great Lakes down into the Appalachians. The next storm system is the one that we're interested in. It's going to send some clouds across Texas this weekend. You see them coming our way there right now. But this storm itself is going to drop all the way down to the Texas Panhandle by Christmas Day. That may result in some snow up in North Texas on Christmas Day. We're not expecting that down here, although we will get a cold front. Between now and then, though, southerly winds return. A warming trend will continue through the weekend. We're talking mid-70s by Sunday. Now, tomorrow morning, Saturday morning, it'll be cold when you wake up, and some of these low-lying locations actually a little below freezing, but tomorrow afternoon it'll feel fantastic with readings in the mid to upper 60s. In Austin tonight, 37. Some clouds out there certainly, and tomorrow 67 with, again, a mix of clouds and sunshine as southerly winds return. And then much warmer Sunday morning, a low of 53, and then a high of 75. How about that? Good shopping weather this weekend as you get ready for Christmas. That next front comes in by Christmas morning, much chillier for several days next week, and we're just hopeful we'll squeeze out a little bit of light rain, though it might be a little bit of a cold rain on Christmas Day.